Koutou, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Blind Low Vision NZ Guide Dogs, and I'm off to meet some special kuri who help out our mates who are blind or have low vision. Hoa ke tātou.
Good girl, well done.
Whoa, look, there's a dog training to be a guide dog now. Let's check it out.
Ty, forward.
That dog's learning how to cross the road because people who can't see very well don't know when it's safe to cross. Oh, where are they going now? Let's go.
Good. Good girl, Ty.
Whoa, the guide dogs have to make sure their friend doesn't bump into anything.
Ty, forward. And stop. Ty, find the chair. Good girl, well done.
This is my chance to pat the dog. Okay, Buzz. Whoa, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Hey, can I have a seat with you?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Kia ora, I'm Buzz.
I'm Carla, nice to meet you.
Kia ora, Carla. And who's this beautiful wahine?
This is Ty.
Ooh, kia ora, Tai. Can I pet her, please?
Yeah, sure, thank you for asking. It's really important to ask to pet a working guide dog.
Kia ora, Tai. Kia ora. Oh, she's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you training today?
Yes, we are.
Awesome. I saw you going down the obstacles. I thought, that's on to her.
Yes, no, she's doing very well. We're teaching her how to move around obstacles and, yeah.
Amazing. All right, well, I've got to keep going. I'll see you later.
See ya.
Ka kite. Check this out, cuzzies. It's the new litter of puppies. They're Labrador retrievers. And when they get a bit older, they're going to be trained up to be guide dogs. That's one of the most important jobs a dog could ever do. They're so cuddly, but we're not allowed to touch them yet because they're not vaccinated. Kia ora. Kia ora. All right. Come here. Come here. Oh! It's such an awesome day today, whānau. Those puppies were so cute and those other dogs were so smart. Ka kite anō.